What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Merzette and this is my BMW S1000Rr. Today we're going to be installing a lightweight brake disc in the rear as well as some billet aluminum chain adjusters from Italy. Also have a titanium axle nut I'll be putting on there as well. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I finally started installing some of the titanium fasteners. Still got plenty more to go. I did the whole undertail with titanium. Looks a lot better. Got to start off with removing this giant 34mm nut. Try not to tip the bike over. Got the titanium one on the left, stock on the right. As you can see, there's a little set screw that kind of locks it in place. Comes with a little Allen key for the set screw. Won't be needing these anymore. It's just a 13 mil. Got the new chain adjusters. Quick comparison, the stock Brembo versus a new lightweight rotor. Feel a noticeable difference. Alright, torque spec is 8 Newton meters. I'm going to take the chain guard off because I'm going to be replacing this whole assembly anyway, the rear hugger with the built-in chain guard. Alright, so my camera died, but I did get the chain slack adjusted. It's sitting at between line 29 and 30. Alright, now I'm going to throw the new titanium nut on. A washer is not required with this. This one is a little bit smaller than the stock. I believe this is a 32 millimeter. The stock is a 34. I'm going to use some plastic between the socket and the nut just so I don't scratch anything. We're going to torque it to 92 foot-pounds. Tighten up this little set screw. There it is. Alright guys, so I got everything put back together, got the chain adjusted, everything tightened up. That'll be it for tonight. It's getting pretty late, so stay tuned for more videos and I'll catch you guys later.